Hey guys, I made a decorative wall mirror that has an interesting pattern. This was really easy to make and I love the way it turned out. Now let's go ahead and get started. I got a round candle holder mirror from the Dollar Tree, and then I cut out a board that's 4.8 inches and glued it at the back. These are edge covers that I will be using to form the design, and I will leave a link for these edge covers in the description box below. What I'm going to be doing now is taking the dab of glue and putting it on the board, and I will insert the edge covers inside the board. And the glue is just to hold it in place, but then the edge covers are going to be inserted inside the board. I'm going to be doing this all round for the first stage of the design. And remember that the pieces should be facing backwards because we're working with the back. This is what it should look like. And then you can see that it formed a square here and another square here. So it's like two squares on a circle. And now I'm going to be making another set and putting it in between the open spaces that we have, or that was created with the first set. I will be using just a hot glue gun for now, just to keep the pieces in place. I will go around again with a stronger adhesive. This is what it should look like. And now I'm going to continue building the design with more of the edge covers. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. This design is so pretty because as you're going on, you're going to be seeing a lot of squares being formed around the circle. I will be going around again with more edge covers, but this time around I'm going to be gluing it closer to the tip, just so that it looks like it's getting larger as I continue building the design. To continue with the next set of edge covers, it's going to be more wider, and I'm going to be connecting them using skewers that I painted black. I'm gluing the skewers at the top and at a certain angle so that it would fit the edge cover properly. And then when I'm going to be putting the edge cover, I won't glue it at the top. I'm going to be gluing it at the bottom. So I'm going to be taking it at the back or at the bottom and gluing it at the bottom. And like I said, I'm using a hot glue gun here for now just to hold the pieces in place. This is definitely not going to hold these pieces to be strong, so you need to go around with an E6000 glue or any other strong adhesive that you may have. I also like to point out that we're working with the other side of the edge covers, meaning the back of the edge covers. I did this all round, and this is what it looks like. And I made another set using the skewers, and then a third set using the skewers also. And then I went around with an E6000 glue to make sure that the pieces are going to be strong, and I left it overnight to dry. The next day I turned it over and it is so beautiful. Now to cover up the sticks, I used gems. And then more gems closer to the mirror. I decided not to spray paint this because I love the antique look of the edge covers. I will be mounting this in front of a lighting that I already have on the wall. So then I used twine at the back with a certain length to fit with the lighting that would be on the wall. You can definitely just glue on string lights at the back of the mirror if you like, but it has to be the one that has a remote to make it easy for you to turn it on and off. This was such an interesting DIY and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this gorgeous mirror, and remember to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.